Hello and welcome back. In today's video is gonna be a full tutorial video, okay, to show you how we achieve this look, okay, this glueless wig, y'all, sent to us by Unice, okay. I hope I say it right, but this is a sponsored wig, okay, and I'll be showing you the full video how this wig was achieved, okay. So stay tuned and come on with me. So I'm just showing you the rope that they included pink. I mean, who doesn't love pink? Okay, beautiful pink. I mean, their packaging was beautiful. Okay, I love everything about their packaging, and of course, they included a lot of goodies. Okay, so now I'm just showing you all the package, the box, of course, pink, of course, and it's from Unice, like you can see. Okay, so we're gonna open it up here so you can see what is inside. Here is the wig we will be working with today, okay, and these are some things that are included. Okay, the hairband, wig cap, okay, stocking cap, brush. I mean, they got some good stuff, okay, and of course a sample of their lace. Okay, come on, you gotta come with me to see this lace. Okay, this is an HD lace. Okay, I love everything about it, and I will be showing you everything about it today. Okay, so keep on watching and please watch till the end of this video. Okay, watch to the end of this video. Thank you. Alright, yeah, this is the wig we'll be working with, okay? This is HD lace, of course, 24 inches. Body width wig, okay, 5x5 closure. The wig can already bleach and also plait, but I am still going to do a little bit of touch to it, okay? I'm gonna add my own touch to it, okay? Just like you can see it. It's ready to be worn like it is, but I'm gonna touch it up, okay? Now it came with elastic band and 3 combs, 2 by the side and 1 in the back, okay? And I bet that elastic band, adjustable band, made it glueless. This is glueless like me. You see what I mean, okay? But again, here I am just of course bleaching the knot, like I said earlier, bleaching the knot, and then after I'm done bleaching the knot, you're gonna see what will happen next. Okay, so let's keep going. Stick with us and stick it out, okay? So I left the wig to bleach for about 10 minutes or so, and this is what it looked like. Now the next thing, I'm gonna wash it, and that's how it looked after washing it. Okay, now I just did a little bit of toning to it, okay, with that purple shampoo. With the blue shampoo, it looks like purple, but it's actually blue. Okay, so of course here I am plucking the wig. Okay, you need to do this, okay? Do this to all your wigs for that natural look, okay? If you're going for a natural look, you need to do this, okay? So I'm just plucking a little bit more, okay? Again, how I love wearing my wig. So stick tuned and let's keep watching. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so these are important steps that I'm showing you, okay, and this is how we also style and customize our wigs, okay, like just all our wigs ready to shape. So this is all important steps that I'm showing you. Again, I'm just molding it, and of course creating that flat wig, and of course adding the touch to it, making it more look more natural and beautiful, okay? So again, you need, if you don't have a hot comb, Girl, what are you still waiting for? You need to get you one. And again, all the product we use here from my company except the wig. Okay, this wig is from Unicehair. Okay, then of course we're styling the wig. Of course, you gotta style the wig. You gotta add something to it. Okay, I always love to style my wig before I install it for some reason. It works best for me. Okay, but again, just adding some colors to it, not too biggy, but painting it makes the color last longer. Okay, so I suggest you do that as well. Okay, all right, the hour has come. Now we're just installing the wig, y'all. Okay, this wig, I don't need to touch too much, but just keep watching, girl. You're gonna see it. Do y'all see that? Like, did y'all see that? How matte that wig this is? Oh my god. It's just look natural right now. Like, it looks really, really, really natural. But anyways, I'm just cutting the lace as always. Of course, you gotta cut the excess lace from the wig. Okay, that is exactly what I'm doing here. And I always like to divide it into two and cut it half. And of course, my god, you see all that? This is lace and it looking like that. Girl. This, I mean, I just so much love that lace. Okay, it just blew my mind. Okay, so I love it. I love it. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you. Okay, again, this product that I'm using is a tint mousse. Okay, and you use it in place of makeup. Okay, and it's lightweight, it's beautiful. I mean, what more can you ask? Okay, it hides those white laces. Okay, and of course it adds that finishing touches, you know, to the wig, y'all, to the install. Okay, it makes it look more and more natural and beautiful. Okay, you're gonna see it. Let's keep watching. And just like that, we have come to the end of this video, yo. Okay, there was no glue, no adhesive, no gel, nothing, and this wig is glueless. Okay, just look at that. Okay, and it's beautiful, y'all. It looks natural. I mean, I love it. Okay? I just love it. So again, thank you for watching and hanging in here till this time. And if you haven't subscribe to this video or like this video, please do that right now. It helps us. Okay, please do that for us. Like, subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bell, and of course share with your friends. We'll see you next day.